Hi guys, it's Matt with MyDesigns here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use color and pattern overlays. So let's jump right in. So once we're in the collection that we want to do color and pattern overlays in, the first thing that we need to do is just select all of the files that we would like to do these overlays on. In this case, I'm going to do it on all 6 of them that are in this collection. So I'll click this box here and click select all. Next, I'll go to actions here, go under image utility and select color overlay. So our input file slot is the file that we would like to use as the base to convert from. Our output file slot is just going to be one of these file slots that are empty. In this case, I've named one color overlay. So we'll select that one. Next, we select the color that we would like to have as our overlay. I'm going to do just a blank white text as this one's already blank or all black. And I do want to point out that the best way that these color and pattern overlays work is with text-based designs that are a singular color. So these are all black, and even the images that you can see, they're just one color with transparent backgrounds. So now we'll just go ahead and select white as a color. I'm not going to generate a preview, and then I'm going to hit apply color overlay. Now that that's done, you can see in this new file slot here that I have named color overlay. We can just double click that, and you can see if I go to switch the view, you can see that it's done on all 6 of those designs at once, and that took less than about 10 seconds to do. So you can see there's my black ones that I used it from my original, and then the white ones that I've converted it to. Next, I'll show you how to do a pattern overlay. So if we're going to go back to actions here. And once again, we do have all 6 of these designs selected. That's important to do before you go to actions. And then we're going to go under image utility again, pattern overlay, and we'll click that. Now we have a bunch of options here available for patterns that you can use. But first we want to make sure our input file slot is either our default or even the white color overlay. We can use that file because it will work as well. And then the output file slot is going to be pattern overlay. The pattern we're going to do is just this abstract colors original here, and then we're going to click apply pattern overlay. Now that that's done, we'll double click the pattern overlay file slot, and then we'll go back to switch the view. So as you can see, now we have a pattern overlay on the exact same designs, and we could sell, we could sell a white version, a black version, and a pattern overlay version, all on one single listing on Etsy. Now I'll go do one more example of a pattern overlay just to show you guys what a different one looks like. We do have just a little preview here, no matter what, when you select one of these. Maybe this time we'll do this watercolor one, and we'll change the output file slot to pattern overlay 2, and then we'll click apply pattern overlay. And now you can see that is also done. So if we double click this one, we can go back to switch the view. And you can see now we have 6 different pattern overlays. So that's how easy it is to do color and pattern overlays. And there is one more feature that I'd like to show you on this video, and it's going to be under actions, image utility once again. And this time we're going to go to image effect. So we have these effects that you can add to your images. This is the list of the effects that we have, and we'll be continually expanding this list. And that goes for the pattern overlays as well. So for this example, we're just going to do we'll just do the crack effect that was originally selected. You can actually give these effects color if you would like. So if I wanted to add a color, I could do it that way and then just select whatever color I want. I'm not going to do it. I personally like to do it as transparent. And then we're going to change the output file slot to mockup 3, just because that is an empty file slot. And then we can actually even change the input file slot if we would like. And I'm going to do it on one of these pattern overlays that we did, just to add another nice effect to it. So we'll go ahead and click apply image effect. And now that that's done, we'll double click this file slot where we put it, and we'll go back to switch the view. And as you can see, now we have a design that has a color overlay as well as an image effect attached to it. And this isn't necessarily something you might want to do, you know, the cracked one. I personally don't think that looks that good on these designs, but you can see the power of what you can do and how creative you can get by combining a couple of these together. But that does it for this video on how to use color and pattern overlays. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for future MyDesigns content.